Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to silence or no callers on WhatsApp. So for you to be able to do that, you have to open your WhatsApp account. Once you open it, then you tap on settings, which is the get button. From there, then you should have something like this. Then from there you tap on privacy. You can see right here, you tap on privacy. Then you scroll down a little, then you tap on this option which is calls. You can see there, and then you tap on it. Then from here you have an option for you to silence or no callers on your WhatsApp. So just make sure this button, which is the button in front of the no caller, is toggle on. Then once it is on, then you see something like a green background button under the click. Then that shows that you've turned on the silence or no numbers on your WhatsApp. If you find this video helpful, like and follow for more. Thank you.